if there is something I don't like too much, it's unpredictable weather. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit sunny today, so I was planning to make some shots with the drone and yeah, show you guys how it looks autumn here in Switzerland. Yeah, I know you can predict the weather sometimes, that's true, but yeah, the problem is I wanted to show you today how in this forest you can see the leaves, right? That's that makes special here in autumn, you know. So, okay. So we are going to a viewpoint, you know, here in close to the Lake Lucerne. You can find this forest in Seelisberg, to be more accurate. You know, it's in Lake Lucerne, okay? And yeah, it's a huge forest. Yeah, well, you can find many places like this in Switzerland. But yeah, I'm gonna show you from up there if it's yeah, the leaves, right? The color, these autumn colors that we're looking for. Let's go. I've never flew the drone in bad conditions, you know, so I'm really not waiting for raining right now, you know. So I hope it keeps like this. It's really cloudy, you know, but that helps with the light. And yeah, we're close to the viewpoint. Okay. So this is going to be a short video, okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoy it. The comments, of course, I'm waiting from you. And yeah, if you like the video, of course, subscribe and yeah, just share it with someone that like this kind of unscripted trips. So I'm getting close to the lake. Yeah. I don't remember the name of this viewpoint, but I guess it's, wait a minute. Yeah, it's here. So we are in this Marine Hohe. Yeah. And I guess it's raining, so I need to wait a moment. So it's raining, so I guess I'm not gonna be able to fly the drone today. It's anyway not so colorful right now, as you can see. Okay, let's try next time. Let's enjoy a little bit of this rainbow moment. So yeah, well, the next I'm gonna explain what happened. Okay, it was raining and I didn't just stop a moment, so I said, yeah, I'm gonna make it, right, honey? So I just start fly, and yeah, it doesn't look like yellowish right now, right? It's not so colorful right now. Yeah, we're a few days too early. So, but anyway, I was flying around, and as you can see, we are in this kind of hill, Seelisberg, and it's raining again. Okay, well, that was this video for today. I hope you enjoy it, and yes, please like the video and feel free to comment. Please, I'll leave you with this rainbow, okay? Bye.